Welcome to Gas Go with Snow, here with our latest conversion from Current electric vehicles. Brian, tell us what we got here.
This is a 1960 Austin Healey. Came to us from a gentleman up in Northern California. Gonna keep it largely original. We're gonna turn it electric for him.
All right, so currently this thing has a 3-liter straight 6 in it.
Yeah.
I can't wait to see what it does as an EV.
Oh yeah.
Prop right, oh, there it is. It's running pretty smooth. I don't hear any no wind, no valve, no exhaust leak. Running pretty good.
Yeah, it runs good.
So what's the plan?
Evolution Motor Co. makes a Leaf motor adapted to a 6-speed Miata transmission.
Okay.
So it's gonna stay manual.
Right.
We're gonna run it at 400 volts. We're gonna have to figure out how to pack battery in there. Although it's a big
it's a big engine compartment.
Big engine compartment, and this will be gone, so we get a lot of room.
So
but I'm pretty sure that Leaf motor's gonna come up to here.
Yeah.
So we got that. We got some room up there, and then where the gas tank is, there's a lot of room.
Yeah.
And then if we absolutely have to, we can use the back seat, but we want to try to keep those.
Yeah, keep it looking as original as possible.
Should be about 36.5, 37 kilowatt hour.
Yeah. Well, this is a pretty small car. I'm guessing 37 kilowatt hour pack will get this like 200 miles.
Yeah, 150, 200.
Yeah.
Super clean though, man. This is such
a
clean car.
It is a really clean car. Body is nice and straight. All the chrome, it looks, decent. So this is a perfect driver conversion right here. It's perfect for a driver conversion.
Yep. Owner is out of Northern California. Owns a pistachio plantation or something, and just wants to drive it around, the countryside over there. So it's a cool little car.
Perfect car for driving around daily.
Yeah.
Let's try it out.
All right.
See you guys next time.
The king of the streets got the swagger, oh my. First shot he needs a dude with a low rider machine. Cherry red paint, chrome wheels they gleam. Snow pulls out his camera, ready to roll. Gas and go with Snow, time to steal the show.